If you do marketing, you can easily get obsessed with views and likes for your videos. But you might miss out on something way more important, because the engagement of your viewers is also measured, and that has consequences for your reach. So please keep watching, not just for me, but so that you can make a giant step in turning random viewers into engaged viewers. Could be really easy if you want your viewers to do something with your call to action. I am Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage right in front of the people that you want to reach the most. So subscribe to this channel, because I can help you get found and seen by your target group. The most interesting statistic in YouTube analytics is that of viewer engagement. You know, most people don't watch a video until the end. You yourself don't very often, unless you really want to know how the video ends. Have you checked how long your viewers watch your videos? You can find the information on that in YouTube Analytics. If you're logged in, click the button below your video, scroll down a bit and you will find it. It can also be found on your phone with the app YouTube Studio through the Engagement tab. It's quite normal if a group of your viewers drops out at the start of the video. Then it's just not what they were looking for. That's okay. And of course, more people leave at the end. They can feel the end coming and they start watching another video. That's okay. The real alarm bell is when people drop off between these 2 points. That can mean 2 things. Either they have no time to watch the video, or the video is just not interesting enough and they go somewhere else to watch another video. That is a problem, but it's a problem that you can solve. People drop out of your videos big time in 3 cases. If it's unclear where your story is actually going, if they don't know if you're providing good enough value, if it's any use to them, or if they can't see or hear you properly. And maybe you don't find that a problem, but YouTube does. They are quick to draw the conclusion, these videos are not interesting enough. And that really affects your reach. Every entrepreneur wants more reach online, and then it helps to make videos that your target audience actually enjoys to watch. What I learned as a TV maker helps me and my clients to make videos that get great engagement. It starts with a good script, but there's more. You can find a lot of information about that on this YouTube channel, so make sure you are subscribed and start watching more videos. Start right here.